Yo yo yo! Welcome back to another video. Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, coming to you with another video. Count your blessings, my friend. That's the name of the video. Gratitude. Count your blessings. See, gratitude is a wonderful thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful tool. Because, as I have covered already, we don't get more by wanting more, we get more by focusing upon things. And the more we focus upon these things, regardless of the emotions that we use, we multiply them, and we multiply the emotions that we feel. And so, when you choose to be grateful for something, you're telling the universe, I wish to be grateful. You're telling the universe, I want to receive more of whatever it is I'm grateful for. I want more of that, plus I want the gratitude. I wish to explore myself from the space of gratitude, and therefore I am choosing to be grateful. And it's a beautiful, beautiful tool that you can use. Very simple. Name 5 things that you're grateful for, and try and actually feel the gratitude in your heart. It comes from the heart. You'll feel this expansion in the chest when that happens. Feel the gratitude. It could be one thing, it could be 2 things, it could be 10 things, but try and genuinely be grateful for something. Maybe it's the fact that you have a healthy body. Maybe it is the fact that you have a roof over your head. Maybe it is the fact that you have money in your wallet. Whatever it may be, as you choose to be grateful, you're going to multiply that thing, and that thing is going to blossom. It's going to expand. It's going to grow. And the more gratitude you pour into it, the more gratitude you're going to receive. It's that simple. There's nothing complex about it. Choose to be grateful. Focus upon the gratitude. Take into consideration how many other emotions you have throughout the day when thinking about gratitude, because they also play an important role in your manifestation. And so set a daily routine for yourself that every day you start to become grateful for something, and you'll see that as you start this routine, as you start doing this, you're going to naturally see and find more and more things to be grateful for. And the universe is going to start expanding itself in such a way that you're going to start receiving more and more from the space of gratitude. And gratitude is going to become your natural state over time. It is that easy. Because as you choose to focus on gratitude, it's like training a muscle. The more you focus upon gratitude, the easier it is for the brain to recognize gratitude. And it starts to search for patterns and places where it can see gratitude. And so you become grateful. And by being grateful, of course, that's great for your body. It boosts your immune system. It releases a lot of nice hormones that stabilize your body and make you feel motivated. Think about how you feel when you are grateful. Your heart is open, your chest probably is open as well as a result, and life is great. And when life is great, you want to go out and do stuff. You want to go and explore, you want to go and do things. And so, of course, when life is great, you're grateful, and therefore you set yourself for a course to create more gratitude. It's a closed loop. There's nothing complex about it. It's super simple. Choose to be grateful, feel the gratitude, and do it every day, and it will multiply for you. It's that easy. Count your blessings, my friend. I bless you, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. Until next time, consider leaving a like, maybe a comment. We'll see. More videos are coming, that's for sure. Have a good one.